Hey guys, Dr. Josh Jagoda here, and today I'm going to talk about something I just saw in my office and I've seen in the past several times, and that is those people out there who use ice as a modality at home. And if you're new to ice, or if you just want to learn a bit more, there's some new information that I just released, so I would highly recommend you checking out that episode. It has to do with why you should not ice, but if somebody is going to ice, maybe you're not going to take my advice, maybe you're going to just ice anyway, whatever it is, I highly recommend that you ice properly, right? Obviously, do not apply the ice right to the skin. You want to make sure you have a barrier in between, whether it's some sort of towel or paper towel, whatever it is. That is the first things first. You do not want to use it for an extended period of time. I highly recommend going underneath 15 minutes. And if you do not do this, and if you keep it on for a prolonged time, you're going to get what I see all the time and what I saw this week, which is an ice burn. So pretty much you're getting frostbite. There will be accompanying bruising. There will be black and blues, like I said, bruising. You're going to see a lot of irritation, pain, and there's also going to be blistering possible. And in this one case, I did see that. So highly recommend that if you are going to be using ice, that you do it properly at all. At the end of the day, we know that icing does one really good thing for you, and that is actually numbing. So if you're trying to help manage pain, or if you're really trying to help yourself, use it for the numbing effect. Once you have achieved that numbing effect, once you are numb, it doesn't really matter, you're done, okay? Whether it's 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 12 minutes, or 15 minutes, if you've achieved that desired result, you are done. You cannot get any more numb from that area, and as a result, what you're going to do is end up hurting yourself by freezing those cells, by creating dead tissue. And now what your body does is that when you have this blistering, this bruising, this burning, this pain, now you have two injuries. You have a superficial skin injury, and you have a deep soft tissue injury. So you have two injuries to heal, not just one. So if you are going to ice out there, make sure you do it properly, be safe doing it, and don't get any bruising. Make sure you get to the desired numbness level, but not past that, because that's when you'll start doing some cellular damage to yourself. Alright guys, I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys for the next episode. Take care.